Yeah, we have a problem. And we have a lot of work to do. Okay, before I get too far ahead of myself, I guess I've got some explaining to do. So insert clip right here. So that happened, and now we've got dirt everywhere, which is great for us. The lip surprisingly survived. I only had that on the car for a week. Nothing like some JDM parts. All for this. This right here. Amazing how much you can charge for a piece of plastic like this. Alright, everybody does these transitions, so let's see how smooth I can make it. Alright, ready? Huh? Yeah, probably sucked. These and a bunch of these. This is only temporary, I swear. So many zip ties. Shit. What a smart man. This better be recording still. Oh, you're looking at the sky. The zip ties aren't cut yet. Alright, hold up. We're gonna do one of those transitions again. Ready? Just kidding. I didn't want to. Oh! I mean, it doesn't look too bad from far away, but when you zoom in, ooh, it's scuffed. No big deal though. This whole car is scuffed. And that was expensive to get here, so that was a plus. Here looks like got some scratches. The wheel is not warped as far as I know. We got some damage here. The fender buckled initially happened right here and pushed the fender back. It does rub a touch on the door, but nothing too severe. Got a little damage here and there. That should be able to buff out. The side skirt is popped off. Anything else? Oh, here in the video there's a little rail guard, or a little side rail, and we brushed up against that. Caught the side of the car pretty well. That strut is blown. The lower control arm is destroyed. Lower control arm and strut. While the strut appears to be okay, but the lower control arm is definitely destroyed as well. Trying to make jokes where I can, but it's just difficult. I'll pick this back up when I have the car up. No wonder it was so dark. I had it in the wrong mode. This video is going to be pretty quiet. I guess I'll just play some music in the background or something. We have a broken end link right here, possibly a bent sway bar, which is actually fine because I have a sway bar to put in here, and I also have a set of end links to go with it. Looks like the steering rack is still relatively straight enough to drive. Might upgrade to an 04 STI rack. If I had that, maybe I would have been able to correct myself a little better. Or maybe it was just all driver mod. Well, I'm going to go ahead and grab the pressure washer and rinse this thing out. Oh, the wheel is already off the ground. That's concerning. Well, new strut is in order. Still holds air. We are almost in business. Okay. Yeah, I got some scratches right here, here, some here. Simple repaint shouldn't be bad. Shouldn't be too bad. One thing to note, it's good that it was this one, because right here, I don't know if you can see or not, I curbed the wheel very slightly, probably about a month into having them. So that's always annoyed me. And so now it can be fixed. So that's kind of neat. I'm gonna keep going. Yep, this one appears to be just fine. Just the tire needs to be changed, but that means all of them need new tires.